Like a well-oiled machine, 7 UR3 robots work together in this special application. It is located at Fluidics Instruments in Eindhoven in the Netherlands. The construct fits seamlessly into the production approach. It is smooth, reliable, and highly efficient. Fluidics Instruments is specialized in the development and manufacturing of atomizers, nozzles, burner lances, and related products for oil burners.
We make the best nozzles in the world.
Since its foundation in 1977, the company has shown a steady growth and is a pioneer in automation and robotics.
The reason we invested in automation and universal robots is to get a higher output from our production.
In the beginning we did it with 40 people and we make around 300 nozzles a week. Now we make 20,000 nozzles a week with 30 people. The problem in Holland is to get the good skilled people. So I want to keep the good skilled people that I have inside. That's one of the big reasons that I start with robots in the beginning. Our employees appreciate the robots. They do themselves the work they like and the robots do the work they don't like.
This will lead to job satisfaction of the workers which don't have to do repetitive work all day.
At Fluidics Instruments, we find CNC machines as well as industrial robots.
Universal robots, the first one I saw on an exhibition in Hanover, they don't need a cage.
Universal robots have a safety inside. When you touch the robot or the robot touches anything, it will stop immediately.
Space is limited here, so we like to build everything as compact as possible.
We need every square centimeter to work with, and with the universal you can do it with more than half of the place.
Our first universal robot was to laser our nozzle heads, and we liked it so very much. It was so precise and so good that we bought another one and another one and another one. Until now we have about 10 UR robots, and it works very nicely.
The application with the 7 UR3s is designed to assemble a nozzle consisting of 8 parts.
That machine that works 4 or 5 hours without anyone around it, and it makes 1,000 nozzles an hour.
In addition to these, Fluidics uses 1 UR5 in a production line to screw filters into the nozzles, 4 at the same time. The other 3 robots, 2 UR5s and 1 UR10, are used flexibly wherever they're needed.
Universal robots are very flexible for us. When a product line has to be stopped, you can take it, put it somewhere else.
You take a pallet truck, put them from one machine to another machine, and half an hour later it's running.
With universal robots, robotic deployment has been cut down to a matter of hours. The average setup time is only half a day. Also, the programming of a cobot can easily be carried out even by inexperienced employees within a short amount of time.
In the future we for sure go on with universal robots because the people here love it. It's very easy, they have fun with it, so they give them names.
Universal robots turned out to be a valuable addition to the Fluidics production line. The cobots help to keep up efficiency and save jobs in the Netherlands.